right, so I'm going to attempt, look at my all-road here, my S6 all-road. Going to attempt to do the tranny fluid on this 2003 4.2 V8. It's going to be fun because as much as I have it jacked up, still not a lot of room under there. I wish I did have my all-road back. I just go to off-road mode. So I bought the kit from Blah Parts. And here's something that they give you with it. It's nice, you know. They definitely know they're Audis, even though at one time they just really specialized in Audis, and now it seems they really just specialize in transmission fluids and oils. It's kind of bizarre, but I guess they had to go with the times. You know what I mean? Those things happen. Here's the gear oil. Here is the filter. So yeah, I got the tranny mounts also. I also have motor mounts. I don't know. You know what it is? I don't feel comfortable working this way. I really don't. Underneath, definitely don't like getting things dirty. But the thing about it is this. I think a lot of these transmissions get screwed up because they're not properly warming the fluid and letting it actually, what do you call it? Also letting the fluid simmer down and chill enough to proper temperatures. And you need a VACCOM in order to do that. So that's why I decided, maybe I should take on this project. I really do not, because I hate messes. I really do. And I don't like working upside down. I don't care. You know, it'd be a lot easier, of course, if I had a lift. But it really sucks doing this. And as high as I have it right now, it's still not enough room under there for me. It's kind of very tight. I don't really feel like going up higher. I don't know. I just feel dangerous, claustrophobic, all that stuff. That's like a lot of the reasons why I don't like working under cars. Above, no problem. But under here, it's definitely not a lot of fun. So, let's see. So I decided after speaking to my friend Greg that, you know, let his European shop do it. And you know what it is? It really is a matter of room, tightness under there. It's a shame, you know. I wish I had a lift, but it's not going to happen. You know what I mean? Drive shaft is leaking. I just ordered the seal from FCP. I just took off all the covers just to see. Also ordered 2 valve cover gaskets. This one's leaking, but this one is not. But you know what it is? This car sits for so long, at such long periods of time, that, of course, you know, that's what seems to happen. They seem to seep. And there's a very, very little bit of a leak here, but it's just enough to annoy me and make it dirty under there. So I'm going to have that handled too. And yeah, just trying to shape up this ride as best as I can, because when you don't use them, it also messes it up. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to take a chance on trying to do this tranny thing myself. It's just, unfortunately, it's just too difficult for me to get under there the way I'd like to. And these are up pretty high as it is. You know, I don't know. I don't feel like getting crushed by a car. You know, I used to do all this crap when I was younger. I've changed clutches, stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know. It's just, it'll be a mess, and then trying to get in there and trying to do it myself. It just sucks, you know. And I don't want to really ruin my garage here so much. I like cleaning cars and fixing certain things like electrical issues and stuff like that. That's more my game these days than trying to get so dirty into these spots. I really do hate trying to get to bolts that you can't get to, and the thought of stripping stuff. It just drives me friggin' insane thinking about it, the way they design things. They design it so you have to basically, on all Audis, take out the friggin' engine.